Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then my name is Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be creating this look right here. This is more kind of a boss babe look, and I'm so uh, like happy that I did it, because it was just came from inside me. It wasn't planned. I just opened my eyeshadow palettes and I just did it, and this is how it happened. And if you wanna know how I get this look, what products I use, then please continue watching. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be updated to all the new videos that I upload every single time. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because I also create a lot of great content over there as well. The links of all the products will be in the description bottom bar below, so you can check them out. And till then, please continue watching. So first things first, my skin is already moisturized and I'm gonna just start off with priming. For that I'm taking the serum from Wet n Wild. This is the primer serum. I'm just gonna apply a generous amount of it all over my face so that my skin is nicely hydrated and ready for the foundation. Okay, the step does not end here. Now I'm using a primer oil because I'm a dry skin type, so I cannot use a silicone based primer because that is not meant for dry skin type, that are more of an oily skin type. So yes, I'm using this. And after this, before putting foundation, I'm taking this water tint by the Face Shop. I'm quite liking this tint. I just want to have it underneath, and it gives a very nice sheen natural finish to your face. And make sure you're using a semi matte semi coverage foundation. For that I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I'm in the shade 235 Honey, and I'm just gonna take it and apply it all over my face first. And make sure do not directly apply the foundation on your face. First take it at the back of your hand, warm the product up, and then start having it, because that really helps the foundation to warm it up and get activated. And you can see that gives a very nice sheen underneath the look. That what I was actually looking for, and I got that. So now I'm pretty much done with foundation. I'm moving to the concealer. I'm taking the Fit Me concealer by Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 25 medium. I'm just gonna apply it on all the usual areas, which is the inner corners of my eyes and outer corners. Applying the concealer in these two ways actually make your face look very much lifted up, and that is actually I'm going for. If you have a really round face or something, even if you doesn't even have a round face, this technique really works and lifts your face up and makes it look more longer, which is a very nice technique. And this technique is actually been invented, like I got to know this technique by Robert Welch. He is like a guru for makeup, and I really holy grail follow him. Even you guys can also follow he also have his YouTube channel, and he's amazing. He know what he's doing. And yeah, so you can see the difference between the two. This side looks more lifted up, and I'm just gonna complete the other side of mine as well. Just gonna make sure that everything is nice and blended, and I'm just gonna set it up with help of a loose powder. I'm taking the Fit Me loose powder and taking very tad bit amount, because I'm going to be going with a very dewy look and glossy look, so that's why I'm not using a lot of powder. I want my skin to look very glowy and healthy at the same time. I'm not using anything much, but I want that healthy glow to just brings out from my skin. For eyebrows, I'm just gonna do this, and my brows are done. I hope it could be done so quickly. For eyes today, I'm taking the Ciprof Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and this is the 12 Eye Chili Nudes palette. And I'm gonna start off with this shade right here and work is that as my transition. I want this look very warmed up, because it's going to be a boss babe look, and it has to be very empowered, and that's why I want to make sure that it's quite warm with glossy lips and just very healthy glow on the skin. I'm taking this shade right here and focusing on my crease line just to deepen it up. And with the help of a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend all the colors that I've applied earlier, just to give it a very nice and more blended and smoothness look that I'm actually looking for. And now I'm taking this shadow and just gonna deepen my crease a little bit up, because I want that crease line to be accentuated, and that's why I'm doing it right now. And now I'm gonna take the kajal. This is the Faces Canada kajal in this shade Solid Black. I'm just gonna apply it on the upper of my lash line, and I'm not gonna use the kajal in the inner corners of the eyelid. I'm just gonna use it in the center and gonna start smudging out with the help of a brush. And because I want that smudgy kind of look, I'm not going with some liquid liners or something today. I just want very smudged kind of look, because it looks so beautiful and yet flawless at the same time. So I'm trying to achieve that kind of look. And guys, please, I'm so sorry if I'm sounding very nasal, because I have cold, and that's why I might be sounding like this, so please don't mind. And you can see how beautiful this has came out to be, that blending look, and it is very effortless. It just take like 3 to 4 foundation 3 to 4 eyeshadow shades and you are done. And I think that's what actually this look has to be, very effortless. Now for contour, I'm taking the NY Basic contour and just gonna apply it on the usual areas that I like to contour, which is my forehead, my jawline, my hollows of my cheeks, and also the nose of mine. I'm just gonna start blending everything up and make it look a little more glossy. Okay, I'm not gonna cover this up with any powder contour today, because I want that look to be very glossy and dewy. So we are not using any powders today. We are using very less amount of powder, which was actually setting powder and nothing else. And after this, I'm gonna move on to mascaras. I'm taking the Lashness Sensationals and Magnetic Eyes mascara by Faces. Both of these mascaras I really love, and I'm just gonna apply it. And I'm not gonna wear lashes, I'm just gonna accentuate my natural lashes today, and it was looking so beautiful. I cannot tell you, I was so in love with this look. Like, this was one of the looks that I don't want to wash up my face. For lips, I'm taking a lip liner in the shade Brown and just gonna outline my lips. And after this, I'm taking the Lakme Prime and Matte lipstick. It is in the shade Cabernet category. It's more of a brick red brown color, which is a very good color, I find it. I'm just gonna get ready with some highlighter. The highlighter I'm taking is by Makeup Revolution Face Squad palette, and the shade is actually Rose Gold and Peach. Just gonna mix this up and gonna apply it on the usual areas that I like to apply, and I'm gonna quickly get this look on. Guys, this is the look I've created, and this is how it looks in the last. I hope you guys like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, bye bye, take care.